Hey everyone guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's guide I'll explain to you how to use a Chick-fil-A card on Doordash. So if you're wondering whether it's possible to use, restaurant specific cards for delivery, and here's what you need to know guys. And unfortunately, Doordash, does not actually accept Chick-fil-A gift cards directly as a payment method. However, you can still make use of the gift card. So here's how you do that, okay? You want to just start by using your Chick-fil-A gift card in the Chick-fil-A app or at a Chick-fil-A location, right? You can place an order for pickup, or you can use the gift card balance for a dine-in, or drive-through purchase. And if you actually prefer to use DoorDash for delivery, one option you can do to save money is to actually, what just save the money on what you would have spent on Chick-fil-A using the gift card, and you just want to pay for the DoorDash order with a standard payment method like a credit card or debit card or even DoorDash credits. While I know it's not a direct solution, guys, this method actually ensures that your Chick-fil-A gift card doesn't actually go to waste while allowing you to enjoy DoorDash services, guys. And that's it, guys. If you find this video helpful, guys, be sure to like, be sure to comment.